This is the trading review for Tuesday, the 15th of August 2023. Um, it was a long day to wait for a trade. Mm, I wanted to take a short on Tesla if we came to R3, but I actually just tried to touch the upper value area, and then it failed, and we rejected pretty much R2 and R1. So I could have made a nice entry here at the loss of the previous day close. That's a very important level, but I didn't pull the trigger. It's within the first 5 minutes, so trading within the first 5 minutes is very tough. And then we just drop against the S2, S3. Tesla was trading within yesterday's pivots. I'm sorry, not within yesterday's pivots. It was trading within yesterday's price, the pre-market, but the pivots were bearish. So as soon as we went to R1, we shorted, and that's okay. I missed out on this trade, but then the trade that I could have taken instead was for a short at S4, since Tesla tends to do these things where where it continues to run despite being an inside day. But my first mistake here was this entry was actually very nice for a reversal, having an inside day. We had a hammer with volume, the 5 minute as well. So this first trade was okay. This was an S for reversal. It's an E trade. And we did execute. But we got out of break even because we didn't get the amount of volume that I expected for a reversal. Usually a reversal at S4 is everyone taking profits, so you have a nice run, and we attempted it, but we never really got the volume. There was no interest in Tesla, so it was a lot of continuing selling. So we downtrended the entire day, pretty much bouncing off the 20 moving average. So I got out of break even on this trade, and then I waited. I looked at the price action and I waited. When we had this rejection, I should have just gone in at the loss of the low of the pre-market for a nice S4 breakdown. And we're talking about a nice 4-hour move at least. $1 is 1 hour. So we're talking about 35 is 2. That's 3R. And then get stopped at a break even, I suppose. But then I also have this entry again. So we were rejecting S4 to the downside the entire day. So this could have been a nice entry as well for a drop to 233.20. So it's unfortunate that we actually ended up going all the way down to S6. So it was an S4 breakdown, and I tried to play a reversal at S5. I didn't make an entry here, so I ended up chasing it on the 15-minute candle, on the 5-minute candle as well. So this was not executed. This is S6 reversal, S5, but it doesn't even categorize. That's how I was dreaming. I was trying to force it. I was trying to trade within value. This was a nice doge in the 5 minute on Tesla, and I was hoping that we would respect yesterday's value to return, but it's not really a strategy. I need the pivots as guide as well, so it kind of messed up my day. I shouldn't have taken those two trades. Just waited and assumed the responsibility of, I missed out my short at the loss of the previous day close for an R1 and R2 rejection and rejection of the value above, but I didn't. So I wasn't able to recognize. This is the first time that I can say that. I stopped max loss. I try new concepts. What else? And what else can I say about good today? Data good, pre-market analysis. We did not hit goal today, so this is not good. We executed 1 out of 3, 33% execution. We took 3 trades, 1 and 2, and minus 2.1, 2.2 actually slippage on Tesla. And Monday, Tuesday, and we had a loss of 6 hours so far. So I should stop trading for reals, and I need to focus on performing as well as I perform on the. I need to perform as well as I do during practice. I do the same amount of analysis. It's just that for some reason I'm not as focused here, so something has to change. But we'll see. That's it for the trading review.